Hello, my name is Rich Marsden. I'm in the Maynard Nexsen Corporate and Business Transaction Practice Group, where I focus on M&A and private equity and provide legal advice to senior management and business owners. While I spend most of my time with mature companies, I do make time for earlier stage ventures that are often underrepresented at a time when access to experienced business lawyers could make significant differences to their forward progress. Regardless of maturity, we assist clients that are thinking of or participating in M&A transactions by evaluating their organizations and helping them optimize for either buying or selling. As sellers counsel, we use our transaction experience to suggest preemptive structural changes when necessary to improve the marketability of the client. We find that these types of changes are best made before a buyer has the opportunity to conduct diligence and ultimately require such changes. This form of preventive maintenance may lead to smoother diligence and better overall transaction terms. These activities might include cleaning up capital tables and shareholder records, ratifying corporate matters that have not been previously reduced to writings, locking down material intellectual property, having material relationships reduced to contract, making sure that related party transactions are properly understood and documented, and helping identify and minimizing potential risks to the business. As buyer's counsel, in addition to drafting acquisition documents that reflect the client's economic and risk allocation objectives, we help them work through the practical consequences of their acquisitions, such as coordinating HR efforts to onboard and integrate new employees, fully understanding the ramifications of any contractual working capital requirements and how accounts receivable and payable are to be handled post-closing, understanding the client's obligations for producing closing date financials and rights under any indemnity or escrow provisions, analyzing potential or actual breaches of contract that could lead to claims under the transaction documents, and finally, advising on pre-transaction or post-transaction fundraising as required. Owning or running a business, no matter the size, can be a stressful activity. For most, selling a business adds a new dimension to this stress. We realize this and do what we can to mitigate worry and stress for our clients by staying in close communication and working hard to fill any information gap that might occur during the process.